Hello everyone, my name is Yogesh Bansal from Dynemech Systems Pvt Limited. Our company manufactures anti-vibration systems and leveling mounts which are used for all types of industrial applications. For example, this is DRAS series air mount where we fill air in the chamber. So these air springs has a natural frequency of around 4 to 6 hertz. There are two variants. One is with non-return valve where we fill air and the air remains inside the body of the air spring, and in some applications where it is not feasible or that inlet valve is not accessible, we connect the air spring with the compressor. So the main applications of the DRS series air spring is that these are used for high precision measuring machines where the vibration is getting transferred from the surrounding production machines. For example, from a nearby forge shop, if the low frequency shocks are coming, then these air springs damps out all these vibrations. These are also used for high speed power presses, for electromagnetic test rigs, and for HVAC equipments like blower, fans, etc. Then we have this DRM series mounts. These are suitable for machines which produce high dynamic forces both in horizontal and vertical directions, like in plastic injection molding machines and in pressure die casting machines. So the leveling is done by rotating the handles of the top body of the isolator, and the thread size is very big of these mounts, which provides a large supporting area. Similarly, the base of this mount is in square shape, which gives a very good support for the machine. And then we have these DMAS series air springs. These are membrane air springs which are tuned to very low natural frequency of 1.5 to 2 hertz. These are specially suited for coordinate measuring machines, gear profile testers, and the precision machines of labs of automobile component manufacturing companies. So all these machines needs to be protected from the vibrations coming from the surrounding environment. So these DMAS series air springs are very suitable for these kind of machines. Then we have these DFL series leveling mounts. In all of these mounts there is a slot provided. So these mounts can be inserted under the machine from the sides after the grouting is done. These are suitable for very heavy and big precision machines like big boring machines, roll grinders, planners, very long bedded VMC machines like this. We have a wide range of spring isolators. We manufacture spring isolators with and without viscous damping. There are different variants. We also manufacture spring isolators with viscous damping and multi-degree restrainer, which is specifically suitable for power presses. This model is patented by us and is very successful model, and the results are very good for the presses. And then we have a wide range of screw support mounts, then anti-vibration sheets. They are tuned to different natural frequencies. So if you have any requirement of anti-vibration system or leveling mounts, please do contact us. Write to us, email us. We will reply you within 24 hours time. Thank you.